Have you got some number for this? Can anybody do it and share?
0.76.
Yeah, right, 0.76. And you can do the same thing with the options. 4 divided by 7, what is the number? There will be one option where this number will match. 0.76 will match. First divide by 4 divided by 7, then 10 divided by 3, then 15 divided by 18, and then 5 divided by 8.
So 10 divided by 13, it's matching. Option.
Right. So if 10 divided by 13 is matching, then it is 10 is to 13 is the right answer. This is just a shortcut to do it when you have options and when you have calculator. Otherwise, it's difficult to calculate this number manually. Any doubt in this from anyone? No doubt. So everything is clear in data interpretation table forms.
So can you explain after the 0.76?
Point?
I got 0.76 by dividing the both numbers, but what do we do after that?
Okay, both the numbers as in 451 divided by 586 or the options?
451 divided by 586. I got
Okay.
0.
Okay. You have divided 451 divided by 586. You might have got one number which is 0.769 or say 0.76, right? So this is the number where you have to match. You have to divide the options as well. Same as you've divided 451 by 586, you have to divide 4 divided by 7. If the answer is 0.769 for that, then the right answer would be 4:7. If not, then it is the wrong option.
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
Yeah. The only catch here is your calculation should be right. If you have calculated 451 as 461, then you'll not get the answer. So there should not be any error in the calculation or the addition or subtraction part. It should be right. Then the option will definitely match. Got it? Any other doubt? Not in this question, in all the 5 questions or what we have done till now. Any doubt? Because without clearing the doubt, the things will not be so easy for you. It will be more difficult because these are the very basic questions. No doubt in this or anything in data interpretation, how we have solved the questions which are based on the table form. This is basically table form. Okay, fine. Next, we'll move on to the other form of data interpretation. Okay, we'll go with pie charts first. Just a minute, I'll share. The diagram is not being pasted here. This is not pasting. I'll just. Okay. Anyway, this is taking time. I'll just share the question and we'll let you know the percentages of all the uh, points. Then you can solve it. This is the main question, and I'll just tell you the cost. In pie chart. Just a minute. Yeah, so sorry. So basically, this is the question. The following pie chart shows the percentage distribution of the expenses incurred in publishing a book. Okay. And you have to study the pie chart and answer the questions based on it. So the various expenditures are in percentages are given below, which are incurred to publish a book. There are six expenses. Printing cost would be 20%. Promotion cost is 10%, royalty is 15%, transportation is 10%, paper cost is 25%, and binding is 20%. I'll just clear one more thing in pie charts. Okay, I was not able to share the photo of that pie chart. That's why I've mentioned the percentages in written format. So whenever you're solving a pie chart is always the sum of all the factors in pie chart will be 100%. It can't be beyond 100%. Okay. These are six factors. If you sum 20 plus 10 plus 15 plus 10 plus 25 plus 20, it will be 100%. It can't go beyond that. Because that's the max. That is the main factor of pie chart. Always remember. Whenever you want to check, you can check it in any pie charts. Okay. So I'll just share the question basis on this so that you can solve. I hope all of you have got the question, or anybody still have doubt on understanding the question, the format of pie chart. Because if you have doubt, it will be very difficult for you to solve the questions based on the pie chart. I hope everyone is clear. Okay. So here the question is, if for a certain quantity of books, remember, if for a certain quantity of books, the publisher has to pay 30,600 as printing cost. Okay. Then what will be the amount of royalty to be paid for these books? What they have told few books are sold. The publisher has paid 30,000 as printing cost. Okay. So basis on that, you have to see what cost the publisher have spent on royalty purposes. You have to calculate you can use the calculators, or fine. If it's difficult for you, I'll solve the first question, then you can do the rest of the questions, whatever you feel. If you want to solve, you can give it a try, and then I can explain, or directly I can explain this. All of you want to give it a try? Or should I explain this first? For the basic, to clear the basics of pie chart.
So we can try.
Okay, sure. You can try. I'll give you 2 minutes to do this. Let me know once any of you have finished. Because 2 minutes are done. I'll explain you this question, so it will be easy for you to solve the next questions, or else it will take a lot of time. Okay. First of all, everyone has got the question clear, or is there any doubt in the question?
Get the question.
Okay. So what they have told that they have spent 30,600 as printing cost, and it is given in the pie chart that printing costs around 20%. Okay. So if this amount is 20%, we have to find the royalty amount. Okay, and royalty amount is given as 15%. So what we'll do, the whichever amount is given, in this case it is 30,600 is the amount for printing cost, and the percentage is 20. So we'll divide 30,600 by 20 just to find what is the cost of 1%. Clear as of now, or any doubt in this? 30,600 divided by 20%, which will give us the cost of 1% of this amount. So in this case, if we divide 30,600 divided by 20, it will give us 1,530 rupees. So it costs around 1,530 for 1%, and royalty is given as 15%. So whatever amount is 30,600 divided by 20, which will be multiplied by 15%, because 15% is royalty amount, like percentage. So it will be 1530 into 15, which will be equal to 22,950 rupees. In basic terms, what we have done, we have found the amount for 1%, what is the amount for 1%, and then we have multiplied it by the royalty percentage which is given in the pie chart, which is 15%. So that's why we have multiplied it by 15. That is the basic rule. We have divided by 20 to understand 1%, and we have multiplied by 15 to get from 1% to 15%. Any doubt here, or is it still confusing for some of you?
Clear, sir.
Clear? Even for others, or it's difficult?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Because if you don't say yes, then I am in doubt if it's clear for you or not. Are you aware about the cost price selling price thing, or it will be difficult? I'll give you one question on cost price and selling price. Let's see. See here, CP means cost price. Marked price is also called as selling price. Okay. It is given that the paper cost percentage is 25%. So remember that 25%. You have to take this percentage into the calculation. Anyone who have completed? I hope the question is clear for everyone. If you have doubt in question, then you can ask. It's clear. Should I start?
Can you explain this one?
Sorry, repeat.
Can you explain this one? I'm not able to get this.
Question or the solution?
The solution.
Okay, fine. I'll start. See, the question basically is they have told the price of a book of the cost price of a book is suppose 100 rupees. We assume it is at 100, right? So the book is sold 20% above the cost price, then the book will be sold at 120 rupees. It is like 100 plus 20% of 100. So that will be 20 rupees. If you multiply 20 upon 100 into 100, it will be 20 rupees. So in this way, they have told the mark price, like the selling price is 180 rupees. Suppose any item or any book is purchased at some amount, for the profit, it is sold at some other amount. Profit would be it is sold at a higher amount. So remember 180 is the higher amount. Okay, and the cost price would be lower than 180 because it is profit. It is told as 20% above the cost price. If it is below, then it is loss. Okay, so in this case, what we can do? Always remember whatever is the cost price, it will be 100%. So here we'll take 100% as the cost price, and the book is sold at 20% above the cost price. So it will be 100% plus 20% equal to 180 rupees. Equal to 180. Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Clear? Amit, is it clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. So what we have taken, we have assumed the price of a book is at 100%. Okay. 100% plus 20% is equal to 180. So what we can do, as both the numbers are in percentages, we can add it. So it will be 100 plus 20. It will be 120% equal to 180. Okay. And we have